Hey everybody, it's Cameron with Surfboards.com. We're just unpacking some more of these new Oakley sunglasses and thought I'd show you guys the Bisphaera. If you're familiar with Oakley, these are very similar to the Flak 2.0. Flak is one of their most popular frames. It's one of the sort of most recognizable pairs of Oakley, super popular for sporting and that kind of thing. These ones are considered a performance sunglass. That is because they have the Unobtainium ear socks as well as the Unobtainium nose pads. So these are going to offer a really tight fit. They also have a really high base curvature, so they're really going to wrap around your face nicely. This specific pair, I don't know if you can see well, it has actually a black camo frame, which is really cool, not something you see often. Usually it's like the tortoise shell, but this one's actually kind of like a camo pattern. This has the Prism Sapphire lenses, so obviously it is compatible with all the Oakley Prism lenses. They consider this a multi-sport sunglass, so expect to see like the Prism Trail, the Prism Road, the Deep Water, the Golf, etc. These are going to be their sort of new sporting sunglasses. So wouldn't quite call them the Flak 3.0, but they definitely look like it. So this is the Oakley Bisphaera again, and you can find yours at surfboards.com.